Afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Life Beyond UWI Connect Seminar. I, Moisha Amza, together with my colleague Akida Murian, will be your speakers for today. And we are here from the Fundraising and Alumni Affairs Unit at the University of the West Indies, St. Augustine. Firstly, have you ever heard of UWI Connect? Has anyone ever heard the tagline, One You, One We, UWI Connect? For those of you who have never heard of UWI Connect, this is why we are here today. Let's have a look at this short testimony from Mr. Nikolai Edwards, former UWI STA Guild Counselor.
Hi, my name is Nikolai Edwards, and I have had the distinct pleasure of calling the University of the West Indies St. Augustine campus my university. As we look the world over, we're recognizing that going digital is in fact the way to go. And it makes sense for the University of the West Indies to create a platform that allows its alumni to go digital. Some of the features that I thoroughly enjoy would be those that allow you to look for jobs, to be associated with mentors, and to even give you the opportunity to mentor those who will come after you. It even gives you the opportunity to be a philanthropist. This way, you can donate to the University of the West Indies that has donated so much into you and who you are today.
Okay, so thank you, Moisha, for that video. Let's move on to a brief overview of the app. So this platform was designed specifically for alumni engagement and management, and it is intended to boost and reconnect alumni engagement. Similar systems are widely used by universities, colleges, and schools all around the world for alumni management. UWI Connect allows you to find and engage with your UWI family, share stories, build relationships, support future generations, and access exclusive offers and events in one page. Connect easily and expand your potential. So the login and setup process is very easy. There's a 24-hour wait for approval, and once logged in, you can update your profile with details with your degree, your graduation year, demographics, your photos, whether you want to mentor or not, and etc. The site is available on mobile platforms, either via a mobile browser or a downloadable mobile app. And the interface is the same across all platforms, laptops, websites, mobile apps, or the mobile browser. On the mobile app, there's the option for push notifications so that alumni can be alerted to customized UWI messages when received. So let's talk a bit about your profile. When you create your customized profile, it can either be done with your LinkedIn account, your Google email, or your Facebook profile. It is easy to add your voice to generations of UWI students, alumni, and faculty. So we just have a brief image here showing you how you can download the app on your phone. It can be found both on the Android App Store and the iOS Store. So when you go on the Android store, you search for UWI Connect and you download the app, and you can choose whether you want to select your notifications after you sign in or register for the app. And on the iOS store, you search for the graduate community. And when you download the app, you can select your school, which is the University of the West Indies, there in that app. And the process is the same. You sign up or you sign in, and you can select whether you want to receive notifications from the UWI Connect app.
So another feature of the UWI Connect app is the feed. The UWI Connect feed is very much like Facebook. Registered alumni, staff, students, and recruiters can post and others can respond in the comment section. That will keep the thread running. This is a neat feature for the members of the St. Augustine campus to post items of interest and elicit alumni responses. UWI Connect allows you to find and engage with your UWI family, share stories, build relationships, support future generations, and access exclusive offers and events all in one place. Here you can see one of our fellow alumni creating engagement on the feed. You can see the comment sections and the ability to like the post and comment, just like the Facebook platform. Not only can you create friendly interactive posts, you can also share self-development and career tips and resources with students and the alumni community. The UWI Connect directory provides access to searching for alumni also registered on the site, with various criteria to search or filter by name, graduation year, degree, location, organization, and other keywords. This is how the directory looks. So you can see the list of persons on the platform, and you can search for specific friends and past colleagues. So you can search by the search bar here, or you can also filter your search in this section here. The job board, which is probably the most beneficial feature on the platform because we as graduates, we head straight into the job search. And here UWI Connect brings all the vacancies available in one spot. The app supports a job board where job opportunities are posted for alumni response. In addition, organizations or persons with the UWI STA can post jobs with the feature of attaching a job description and response contacts. Job postings can also be segmented by industry, etc. to attract the best candidates. This is how the job board looks. You can apply for jobs directly from the job board. We also have the ability as members to post jobs that is not already available on the job board. So right here, you can search for jobs, and over here, you can post jobs that you see. There is also a group feature on the UWI Connect platform. Affinity groups can be set up for alumni to join. Example, faculty groups, special groups, social interest groups, professional organizations, or any type of group determined. Example, engineers, doctors, guild, UWI STAT, etc. Alumni can choose to join a group or opt out as needed. We can join and create specific groups and post content related to the various groups on UWI Connect. Here you can see the various groups that there are, and there are also a lot more. Here you can see the climate change, UWI Ventures, graduating class groups, and even the student skill council group. Here you can create your new group and post content related to the specific groups.
So as we've been saying, the UWI Connect platform allows you to access privileges of being in the UWI family through one exclusive portal. So one can post St. Augustine events on the site with photos or flyers to inform alumni that there is an event going on. There's also the option to post photos if needed for the event. Events can also be managed via the website, allowing e-commerce transaction. This is a great place to promote and host your events in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. So, as we see here on the platform, we have an event here which was created by one of our users, and I encourage you when you join our platform that you sign up for this event because I think it will be very beneficial for all of our professional development. So we now move on to photos. One can post photos or set up albums for special events for alumni to peruse. On the platform, we see here that we have several photo albums, and you as a user can create your album. So let's say, for instance, you host an event and you take screenshots. If it's a virtual event, you take screenshots from the event, or you have photos from something that you want to post on the platform. It can be facilitated right there on UWI Connect. And we also have the mentoring feature. When you sign up for the platform, you can select whether you are interested in being a mentor, and your mentors can be alumni, faculty members, industry professionals, and they choose to set themselves up as mentors or mentored by those selecting to be mentors. Mentors can determine what areas they would like to mentoring, for example, network contacts, career development, etc. And this allows alumni to select their mentor and make contact. So as we see here, we have a list of mentors which would have selected that they would want to be a mentor at the signing up process. And when you go to select your mentor, you see a list of persons who are the best fit. So you see the percentage that the person would be meeting your needs, and that is a really cool feature there on the platform. So you can connect with somebody who is directly related to your field and can help you to grow professionally. So it's time now where we ask, are there any questions that you would have for us in relation to the UWI Connect platform?